Hi teacher, my name is Diana Pilatasi. Now I'm going to talk about content-based instruction. In content-based instruction, teaching is organized around the content or information that the students will obtain. It says that if content with a high level of interest is chosen, students will possibly acquire the highest grade language. In IBC, grammar is not explained directly. It is used naturally. The students can be corrected, and this approach uses authentic material and reality. What is teacher's role? The teacher's role is to maintain content and understand the ability in their planning and their interventions. Select and adapt authentic material for use in class by an list of students' needs and create a student-centered classroom. And also the student's role. The role of students is to support each other in cooperative learning models. Students must be active interpreters of input or input information and be willing to tolerate uncertainty in the learning path. To explore optional learning strategies to look for multiple interpretation and oral and writing text, and finally they can be a part of the selection of topics and activity for the class. And also here we have the task basic instruction. The task basic learning is a way of teaching learning. In this a task-centered approach that is at the core of planning and process to carry out the language learning. A task is an activity where the target language is used by the learner for a communicative purpose in order to achieve an outcome. Um, what is the role of students? The role of students must commit to the elaboration of the task, as this will facilitate the activation of the learning process throughout spaces in which it can involve both their previous and new knowledge. Role of teacher. The teacher becomes a monitor. That is, he is not the center of the learning process, but goes alongside as an observer and guide for the achievement of the purpose objective. Thank you, teacher.